DV360 offers a range of tools designed to optimize your digital marketing campaigns. Here are 5 must-know features to boost your success. 1. Audience Studio. This powerful tool allows you to create and manage audience lists by integrating first-party data or leveraging Google's audience data to precisely target customers at different stages of the buying journey. 2. Bid Strategies. DV360 offers customizable bidding strategies, including automated and manual options, allowing you to maximize impressions, conversions, or other campaign goals with minimal effort. 3. Budget Management. Track and allocate your budget efficiently across multiple campaigns with DV360's budget management tool, ensuring optimal spend control and ROI. 4. Creative Asset Library. Store, manage, and organize all your creative assets in one central location, making it easy to test and deploy ads across channels. 5. Marketplace. Gain access to premium inventory with DV360's Marketplace, featuring top publishers, private deals, and programmatic guaranteed deals to ensure the best placements for your ads. These tools are essential for driving successful campaigns and scaling your digital marketing efforts.